Hello friends, now we will learn how to find the data types for Python. So how to find data types? Let's say I am declaring some data type, integer, num. First thing I want to tell you, we should always use underscore when we are using combination of two words. Why? Because in memory, Python will take it two different variables, integer separate, number separate, and it won't take it as a value, so it will show a error. So integer now is 1. Let's see, floating number is 1.7 and string let's take it as it is, and boolean. So these are data types. So I want to tell you one more thing. Boolean is another type of variable you are dealing in Python. It's either true or false. So here I'm going to show you how you can find data type or variable. You have to type a function type, and inside the parenthesis you have to type the name of a variable. Then you will learn how what kind of type for that variable is. So let's see, I'm saying type integer. No, it's showing integer num is not so. Yes, I didn't define it. Yes, string, yes, indentation error is there. So what I will do is, so you can see how indentation error work. If these are not aligned, then it's not cannot run. Someone asked me what is indentation. This is how indentation work. Indentation means alignment, where it should be. So now it's there. We didn't define it, so it's not work. So type integer. Now so it's showing in it's integer. Now type floating number. So it's a float. Now if we do type of string, so it's a string. So this is how we can find out the data types. Now type of this is how you can see we can find out the type data types in a variable. Now one more important thing I want to tell you. See here I want to put it like I want to show you that I want to use this one space like a heading. So what I will do, let's say I'm putting it data types and Python. So what I will need to do, I need to go to here, and so now you can understand, this is the beauty of Python. We can use the same notebook in Jupyter. This is the beauty of Jupyter notebook. Same notebook as a code and same notebook for simply text, same notebook for headings. So this is how it does work. Slowly I will show you some more important things. Now we will go with a new important topic, typecasting in Python. How we can typecast and what it is. Although you are familiar with it, if you press B, then it also does same work. So what is typecasting? To converting one data type into another one is known as typecasting. We have already seen how to convert string to integer in example of age. Let's see here. So there was example in my previous video of age. Now it's not here. So where we converted age from string to integer. Now what we need to do? So if a is equal to, let's say, 1. So what it is type of? What do you think? What kind of type? It's integer variable, and I'm showing it for in such kind of detail for newcomers. Now let's say print boolean of a. So let's run it. It's true. Why it is true? Why it's not 1? Because we have converted integer value to the boolean, and boolean have only two values, either true or either false. So we have typecasted it. Now you can see, if I'm going to put this value to true, any value, positive value more than 0, it's showing true. Let's say I am putting it 0, false. Now you can easily understand how typecasting is working. Now in next row, let's say we are converting it to float value. So if we are converting it to the float value, what it will happen? So it's showing it. Okay, we have not after doing one, so it's stored in there in memory like 0. So if I'm doing to run it, it's true now. Now it's run it. It's again 1.0. So it's a float value. Let's say I'm converting, I want to typecast it once again, and I want to convert it like a string value. So it's a string one. So this is how you cast a variable and typecast a variable. So we have covered till now data types and typecasting in Python in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you so much.